think it's going to be pretty cool for work.
And just to let you know, if this works, this is the first time it's ever worked. We've never actually seen it work, so.
That scared me.
Oh, green car!
Keep it going.
No way.
Get out of here, Dave.
No. It didn't go down.
It's up here. It's not, where did it, just, it's right into that tablet.
It's okay.
Hey,
Where's it at? Oh, okay.
Yeah!